Hi, my name is Nofarsha Kasrina. So today I'm going to explain about the gender versus GPA graph. So the table shows gender and GPA. Most male and female students have GPA 3.1 to 3.5. More females 25 than males 18 are in this range. For the highest GPA, 3.6 to 4 flat. Males have 11, are just little more than the female, which is female have 10 student. In the lower GPA range, male are slightly more than female. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Anissa Inshira binti Ahmad Safri, and today I'm going to present about my part, which is introduction of the graph and main observation. So I'll put the graph here. Okay, so this graph shows the frequency distribution of students' GPA from the collected data. The x-axis represent the CGPA ranges, while the y-axis represent the number of student frequency in each CGPA category. So for the main observation, from the graph, we can see that most students fall within the higher CGPA ranges, and particularly between 3.01 to 3.5, and then also 3.5 to 4 pointer. This indicates that the majority of the respondents have relatively good academic performance. So that's all from me. I'll pass the third and fourth point to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Atalia. Today I will present my part of the assignment, which is the analysis of education levels versus GPA and number of subjects taken versus GPA. First, I will explain the relationship between education level and GPA. Based on the table and graph, most students from both diploma and degree fall within the GPA and range of 3.0 to 3.49 pointer. This shows that the majority of the students have an average to good academic performance. In addition, degree students have slightly higher number of students in the 3.5 to 4 flat range compared to diploma student. This indicates that the degree students tend to perform slightly better academically. On the other hand, only a small number of students are in the 2.0 to 2.49 range pointer, which means very few students have a very low GPA. Overall, we can conclude that most of students achieve a CGPA between 3.0 and 4.0, with degree students showing slightly better result. Next, I will explain the relationship between numbers of subjects taken and the GPA. From the data, most students are taking 5 to 6 subjects, and these groups also have the highest numbers of students achieving GPA between 3.5 to 4 flat score. This suggests that taking a moderate number of subjects may help students perform better academically. Students who take 7 subjects mostly fall within the GPA range of 3.0 to 3.490, which indicates average performance. This may suggest that taking too many subjects can affect academic result. Meanwhile, students taking only 4 subjects are very few, so it is difficult to make a strong conclusion for this group. Overall, students taking 5 to 6 subjects tend to achieve better GPA compared to others. Thank you. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is Nur Shafika. So today I'm going to present about the graph for each variable gender, faculty, and also education level. So for the gender, the total number of respondents is 85, where 43 are female and 42 are male. As we can see, female the difference is only 1%, so the distribution is almost equal. This shows that both gender are fairly represented in this study, which make the data are balanced. For the faculty graph, IMS has the highest numbers of respondents with 16, while FHLS has the lower with 10. The other faculties such as FBMP, SACE, FISE, and also SCA each have 12 respondents, and HPS has 11. Even though there are slight differences, overall the distribution across faculties is quite even, meaning all faculties are all represented. Lastly, for the education level graph, 45 respondents are degree holders and 14 are diploma holders. The difference is not very big, so both groups are almost equally represented. This helps make sure the data reflects views from different education levels. Okay, next for the faculty versus GPA. From the graph, we can see that the most students are in GPA range of 3.1 to 3.5. For example, IMS has the highest numbers of students in this range, which is 11 students. Other faculty like BMP and FISE also have quite a number of students in this category. For the highest GPA range, which is 3.6 to 4.0. Several faculty also have students achieving it. FISE have the highest with 5 students, while some other faculties are uh, around 3 to 4 students. The lower GPA range 2.0 to 2.5 has fewer students compared to the others range. This means that most students actually perform quite well in their studies. Uh, for the graph show that the majority of students from different faculties achieve GPA between 3.5 and 3.1, which indicate a generally good academic performance among the students.
Hi, my name is Sufia Sumaya. In this graph, shows the number of female and male students in diploma and degree programs. So there are 40 male students and 45 female students in total. For male students, there are more studying in diploma programs, which is 23 students compared to 19 in degree. For female students, more are studying in degree programs, which is 26 students compared to 17 in diploma. So this shows that the female students are more likely to pursue degree studies, while male students are more focused on diploma programs. Now, this graph shows the distribution of male and female students across different subjects. Each subject has a different number of male and female students. So, for example, SPH and FISE have more male students. SAS and SHA have more female students. IMS has equal number of male and female students. Other subjects like FBMP and FHLS show a more balanced distribution, but still with slight difference. Overall, we can see that some subjects are male-dominated, and some are female-dominated, and some are balanced. This shows that gender can influence the subject selection.